All right, got something special here. 335d, but this is a little special one. This is a diesel with a manual transmission. Very rare. One of the few that have this built. So let's take it for a drive. So another thing to note is that the emissions has been deleted in this. So you do hear those sexy ass diesel noises. Oh yeah, that feels good. All right, when it's safe, that feels good. So a few things to note. 269,000 kilometers, saddle brown interior, anthracite headliners, so full M Sport, manual, pretty much impossible to find because you got to do this custom. No check engine lights. You've never seen that in the BMW, or pretty rarely, so to speak. And of course, emissions delete. So you get those fun noises. But at the end of the day, very clean looking car.